futures and options avoid करो.
It's a year of opportunity. Volatile roller coaster.
SIP is your सर्व इच्छा पूर्ति.
In 2026, it is going to be really driven more by sectors or companies which are supported by earnings.
It's a year of opportunity. Volatile roller coaster.
Rupee usually gives up 3 to 4% of its value to the dollar in a typical year.
I think stable and little appreciating.
It's going to be up for at least till the mid of 2026, and then it might flatten a bit towards the second half.
I think 2026 you will see the markets do well, but not a runaway rally, and markets will be slightly more discerning. What we are seeing is now that while the Nifty is going up, the indices are going up, the median stocks are still low. So this is going to be a market stock because market where not everything will rally. It will be specific.
SIP is your सर्व इच्छा पूर्ति.
Patience, patience, patience. Always the number one money resolution.